Good morning, students. Today we will start a chapter number 10 is various solid shape. Solid shape, the geometrical shape of two types of geometrical shape and 2D and 3D. 2D already you learn. 2D shapes, it's mean the shapes is having only length and breadth. This type of, suppose it is a rectangle, okay, and rectangle only is a length and a breadth, okay. It's mean this is a two-dimensional. 2D means two-dimensional and 3D means three-dimensional, okay. That is suppose example for this is the magic box, okay, and magic box will be here. In this chapter you have learned only how to view to 2D a 3D shapes. Suppose this is a shape on this place and there are three views. This is the top views, it is the side view, and it is a front view. The top view you have see only the yellow color, it is the shape of rectangles, and front view you have see the sketch color sides, this is the shape of rectangles. And similarly to side view, this white shapes, it is the already rectangle shape. So this is the three view. You have view of the how many times of view and three views: front view, and side view, okay. Now start the exercise. Is the first will be for each of the given solid of the two view of the given, match of the each solid of corresponding top and front view, the first one done by you, okay. एक one आपको is given that this is the bottle, and bottle will be side view is a, you see that side view, and top view is a shape of lock of the, okay. Now second is a given that the side view is a this side of side view, and 1 2 3, it means this is the side view of this, okay. And top view is a 5 kg, you see that is the last is a 5 kg, okay. Third is the flax, and front side view you see, and top view is a, this is the ribbons will be you see, and you match this view, okay. Now cup and sauce, and you see their fifth is a side view, and top view is a, you see that one circle is a plate circle, second is a cup upside of the cup, and view is inside of the cup, and this is the given of the handle. So this is the top, join the point of 3. And last will be container is a show is the side view, okay, and a top view, okay. So this is the made you draw on your notebook, okay. Not only book, not only solve in book. Now next second question is for each of the given solid, the three view of the given, identify each of the corresponding top, front and side, okay. So this is the already given that the almaris, and this is the first view, front view, side view and top view. You identify which of the view of top, front and view. That the almari is, that first is a, which is a front view, okay. Second is a longest side is this is a side view, and third is a small rectangle is a top view. Second, a matches box. Already I will give the examples. The shaded part is given, that this means this is the side view and this is the front view, and a drawing will be see is the top view. Okay, now next is given a television. A front view is you see the glass and some buttons small, that is the front view, and their side view is same to same here, that is the side view, and top view you have side and view, only the hook is given, that this is the top view. Okay, now last is this shape, two lights and the shapes and glass will be here given, that means it is the front view, and this two tires and two gates, two hooks, two glass will given, that means it is the side view, and up is a top view, last is a top view. They are diagrams you make in your fair copy. Okay, not only solve in the book. Now next is a third is a 3D shapes models, solid shapes. For each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. So this is the given. You first will be see the front view only 2, okay, and side view is a 1 and top is a 1 2 3. So that is a 1 2 3. It means this is the top view and side view and front view. Okay, now come this second front view. This part 1 1 1 will be seen in the front. The 3 parts 1 2 3. It means this is the front. Side view is the 1 and this is the 2 2 is a side view. This is the two shapes of side view, and upside 1 2 3 4, that is a 1 2 3 4. It means this is the top view. Next is front view. You see 1 1 1 1. This is the 4 blocks is given 1 2 3 4. That 1 2 3 4. It means this is the front view, and side view is a 1 2 and 2. This is the side view. You see here the 1 2 3 views 1 2 3. It means this is the side view, and top you have 3 3, right, because top 1 and 2. This is the top view. Okay, now fourth is D. Front view is 1 2 3 and 4. There are 4, the 1 1 1 1, right. This is a 4 1 2 3 4. It means this is the front. Side view is a only 2 blocks will be side. This is the side view, and top will be 1 2 3. This is the 3 is a top view. Last is the side view is a 1 1 and their side. You see the mark in the pencil. You see 3 1 2 3. This is the side view. Up 1 2 2 and 2. Already 3. So this is 3 2 and 1. So this is the top, and front will be 3 3 3. Matlab 1 and 2 up. 1 and 2 up is a front view. Okay, this blocks you draw in your fair copy. Question number 4 is draw the front view, side view and top view of the given object. The object is first given a military tank, a table, a nut, a hexagonal blocks, die and solid. This 6 is given that, and you draw front view, top view and side view. Okay, so now shape will be draw. Okay, now first is given a tent. Okay, so now you first will be draw. First is a, I will draw the right. First will be top, then side and front. Okay, the top view, they are top view and same too. Do you write this is the top view. Okay, top view, and side view only because this is the shape of rectangle. Okay, and front will we see that type, this type of front. Okay, now draw by the ruler, not only draw a lightly. This is the top view. Second is a table. Table is a top, is a rectangle shape. You draw is a rectangle shape. This is the top view. Side view is a, you show these two legs. Side view is a, this type of side view. Okay, and front view will, but its length is greater than, but view are same. This is the front view. Okay, now third is a nut. Okay, the is a top view is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is the hexagon. 1 2 3. This is the top view and small. The top view. Side, next is a side. Side view is a only this shape and this shape. You write this is the side, and front will be see three part, 1 2 3. You draw 1 okay, this is the front view. Down is on, down all right. Front is a side view, is a top view. This is the top, this side, and this is front view of the table. Okay, now next is a 3 question. First is a, this is first is hexagonal box. So front view, first will we write the, here will we write the top, side and front. So I'll write top, side and it is the front view. Okay, now top only you see one shape, is a rectangle shape. Okay, side is show is what 2 means this type. and front is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 way. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now next diags, you already understand diags. The first top is a, this is a 2, side view is only 1 and front will be 3. Okay, now again be solid. Front view is a first will be top 1 2 3. This is the top view. The 3, the first and 2 they will draw by this ruler. Okay, not only rough diagram. The top view. Okay, now on second is side view is 1 and 2. So you have draw 2. Okay, and front wheel 2 and this is the one front, means okay, this is the, it is front, this is the side, and this is the top. Similarly to top, side and front view.